this is just the process. Yeah, we want to talk to the customers, of course, and have an open dialogue. When to start that process is the next question, right? So this slide kind of lays that out, where ideally, the earlier the better that you contact us. I do think there's a few nuances here for permitting. So if you don't know if your site's going to be permitted, be able to be, you get town permits, and we've had customers engage us, and we've invested time, and the customers invested time. Really, that's the concern, and we've even gotten commitments on doing studies and things like this, and they don't have the permits. So it's just I think it's a wise use of everyone's time and the customer's money too, just to you come to us when you feel like you have a real site and you have a real project, but before you're done your design. I think that's the main point. We want to be engaged early on in the design process, so that we can start doing these modeling, modeling exercises that I talked about. And then the process goes all the way through design. We want to get you an incentive, a firm incentive estimate, pre-construction, right at the end of your design, so that it's with pretty good certainty that if you install the system the way you designed it, you'll get this X amount of incentive. We want you to know that before you purchase any equipment. So that would be in this 3 and 4 window here. During construction, we have another application that you have to fill out, and there's some paperwork that we'll work with you on. But then the next real key step is in post-construction, collecting some documentation to verify that you built the project complying with the design and what we expected, and then it might be some functional testing and logging some trend data, stuff like this from your energy management system that can show us again that you're meeting the expected energy performance. So that's the kind of the closeout phase, the verification phase. And then once that happens, we pay the incentive as close to construction completion as possible.